everybody. My name is Susan Reyes Cruz. I am a psychologist by education, a businesswoman by profession, a grandmother by vocation, and a Toastmaster by obsession. You see, yes, life is a never-ending series of learning. It's a process of learning. Now that I am into my MBA right now, I am 55, a lot of people would still ask me, hindi ka pa ba nagsasawang mag-aral? Hindi po, and that's the truth. I have attended so many motivation seminars like this, but hindi lang dito, kundi sa ibang bansa. But I would say, what Mr. Lambert has taught us today is leave a very indelible mark in our hearts. Kasi maraming motivation seminar, no? But walang focus sa Lord, puro sa tao, no? Puro sa, of course, we know that we all work with the money, we all want the money. But the song is very right. We should first seek the kingdom of God. So I am very happy that my friend here, Mr. Chico Villegas, has invited me. I am so happy meeting the person. Mr. Bronco, Mr. Pineda, of course. And I would like also thank you for being with us in this journey. I know we can all make it. Let's set more lives and more properties by having every home a fire extinguisher. Thank you.
Very glad,